The bus is noisy today, but we're at Derby Midland Station. Yes, that's right. Train real world. From Derby to York. Cue the intro. Welcome aboard, passengers. Mega Sim. We are in Derby. We're going on a cross country from Sheffield to York. Calling it why am I at Sheffield? No, Derby to York. Calling it Sheffield, Wakefield, Westgate, Leeds, and finally York. It's going to be fun today. It's either that or I take the 9:31 to Sheffield and then catch the same cross country later. But I just want to sit in my chair with my cup of tea and my croissant. Yep, that's how we do it. But we're not climbing on any bridges today. We have to go through the ticket place, but we literally can go straight onto this platform. This is platform 1. So anyway, let me put my phone down because I've got a hot cup of tea and yeah, go through there. Let's go. So yeah, we're through platform 1. Oh, look at that. Try and reposition the camera. My hand is hurting because of all the building of furniture and stuff like that. I bruised my hand, but yesterday I had the booster and it's kind of brought out my aches and pains that I've had these past couple of days and just like amplified them. But yeah, so my hand is really hurting. But yeah, so 9:45, so we've still got 20 minutes till the train leaves. I think it does arrive earlier. It is just going to be a Voyager. I was almost going to say Virgin Voyager. But yeah, it's just a Voyager. Oh, but that train's in the way. How's it gonna go in unless it's going to be on platform 3? Anyway. So yeah, just wanted to say that this isn't sponsored, but I did find out from Paul at Winging It. It's going platform 3. Paul at Winging It. He took a cross country service, and that was sponsored. But anyway, he said about an app that you could use to buy split train tickets. Now, I was going to use another one, but I used the one that he recommended. So anyway, going from Derby to York, if I went on the East Midlands Railway website, came up as £50.70, 50.70. But the train pal that I used brought that down with split tickets to £32.80 and then a £2 voucher from it. So if Train Pal wants to go for it for me next time, then yeah, I would love to do that and show it off. But yeah, just wanted to know that yeah, I managed to save 20 quid with exactly the same train. But no, it is not sponsored. I'm just telling you what I'm doing, but you never know, could be in the future. I might reach out. But anyway, unless you guys know them. But yeah, there's that Virgin Voyager going to Bristol Temple Meads, not Bristol Temple Meads. But yeah, we're just waiting for ours. 15-20 minutes and we'll be off to York. Oh, my hand. Here it comes. Yeah, I tried to get a seat reservation for this one and it's not available, so I got to try and find the unreserved seating area. But here it is. Oh look, it's got the Virgin logo on it again. And the paint. I'm going to go in the back end and see what happens. See how we get on. Yeah, I'll go into L. See how we get on. Right, let's get aboard. Looks like they're available, so that's it. Here. So yeah, what is the time? Yeah, still got just over 5 minutes to go. I've got my cup of tea, Twinings, nice croissant to eat as well. And then we can head towards York. So Costa lady, I saw the croissants and they look really good, and she went, would you like us to warm it? And I went, what's it like? She went, oh, it's so much better. And I was like, okay. And it's burnt. That was a lovely golden colour, and look at it now. It even smells burnt. There we go. There's the signal to go. Sitting the other side last time when we were going to York, so I'm going to sit this side. I have no idea if it's better or worse. Look at that sky. You're not getting it, but man, that sun's bright. Yeah, this train does not stop at Chesterfield. Go straight to Sheffield. Sky this morning, eh? Here we go, coming into Belper. Great train guy there. There we go. There's Belper. Zooming through. I say zooming through it. We're slowing down because we probably got the Matlock service in front that's going to be turning off. I just missed it. I tried. Yeah, we're just slightly delayed. We've got a train from Nottingham to Leeds that's in front of us. So yeah, we're just crawling our way into Sheffield now. Enjoying my cup of tea. I'm about halfway through. Oh, that croissant was burnt. You even tasted burnt. Never mind. I wonder what that plane is up there. Oh, can we still see it? No, it's gone. Oh, just about. Try and find out. So yeah, we went into a tunnel in the end, so I think it's gone, but it was a Lufthansa A320 from Frankfurt to Dublin. Yeah, I think it's gone. It's gone over us. Yeah, Frankfurt to Dublin, A320. Nice. Love the A320. Just coming into Sheffield now. There's that train that was ahead of us. It's just leaving. Is it going? There's a lot of people outside. There we go. That's the train. Quite a few people coming on now, but right, there's the signals to get going. We have well, we're leaving 3 minutes late. Never mind. That was due to that delayed train that's now sitting in front of us. So we're going to be slow the whole way, potentially. Oh, look at that. Gorgeous, eh? It's cool that they're still being used. What is it? Wakefield, Westgate now? No? And then Leeds, and then York. Oh, that's bright.
Very good morning everyone. I'd like to welcome passengers who just joined the train at Sheffield. This is the slightly delayed 1021 cross-country service to Newcastle. We'll be calling next at Wakefield Westgate in about 25 minutes, followed by Leeds, York, Darlington, Durham, and due to arrive and terminate in Newcastle at 12:29.
Nice.
Just have to remind everyone that it is now mandatory to wear a facial covering whilst travelling on public transport. So please make sure
it's
you
Wednesday
are
the
wearing some
15th
form
of December.
facial cover, which must cover your nose and mouth and should be worn correctly at all times whilst you're on board the train and whilst you're on the stations. Thank you for your cooperation. Next calling point, Wakefield Westgate. Thank you.
I've just spotted it, there's Meadowhall. We just passed the tram, the Sheffield tram. I just saw it because this sun is so bright. I just saw the blue and I was like, oh, I missed it. It's probably going to be very busy there today. Yeah, heading to Wakefield Westgate, Leeds, York. So in the UK, that's where the grit is held, for the gritters, for the snow and ice. So yeah, you have them dotted around the country. A lot of them you usually see near motorway services and places like that. But yeah, they're in those. I don't know what they're like in other countries, but that's what they look like over here. Just arriving into Wakefield Westgate. 158, I think. Do any of my subscribers live in Wakefield? You don't have to say exactly where, but yeah. Do you live in Wakefield or near Wakefield? I'm waving to you now. So yeah, coming in now. Yeah, it's the Sainsbury's there, which means that Wakefield is, you know, the town is like over there somewhere.
What time will Cumberland then?
Boom, boom, boom.
Have you got keys?
There we go. There's the...
Morning everyone, in a few minutes time we'll be arriving into Wakefield Westgate.
A few minutes.
If you're leaving the train, would you have a good look round?
We're arriving
Make
into
sure you've got everything
Westfield,
with you.
Westfield Wakegate. Wakefield
Thank you for travelling
Westgate.
cross-country trains. This is Wakefield Westgate.
Wakefield Westgate. It's weird, it's called Westgate. I think I mentioned it before. There's no other trains here. Yeah. How boring.
Well, these tickets are
There's a vending machine. Right. So, Wakefield, then Leeds, then York. And off we go. Yeah, we are on the LNER line now. East Coast. So yeah, not seen any Zoomers yet, or any 225s.
Canada again on next Wednesday. He's not even standing near me. He's going. He wouldn't even want to pick me up tonight, so I had to ask Julie to come. I swear, because I went to that family party. He says, oh, there were loads of people there. I went, well, I said, just wear a mask. So I said, no, I don't mind, I'll just get Julie to do it.
You know what's going to happen is as soon as I put my phone down,
I could eat, drink an
one's going to go past. I could look at real-time trains, real train to Arc, and never remember which way around it is. So what stadium is that? Let me know, guys. Let me know in the comments. What stadium is that? It's a Nova. Just coming into Leeds now.
It's like a Dubai. It's like a Dubai.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
You heard it here first. Leeds looks like Dubai.
You're going to see the big red dog. Spider-Man. Spider-Man. What's that big red dog like?
It tends to grow up. Yeah. I loved it. I love it. It's very good. When she gets smaller,
Cumberland services.
They brought it in direct. And that was I think it was Julie, if you remember, because she sent it. She said,
Proud to be northern. Oh, it's a nice station. Oh,
Well,
fancy.
really, Leanna could have took money off her.
It's a Transpennine there.
Somewhere else. And then picked it her up. You know, like, so she's got it. Leanna was
Leeds.
4 o'clock. She must have got her a day safe. Have you ever seen it before?
I seen it in the telly on Channel 4.
Here comes the Transpennine
Good.
Express.
And empty frog.
Just as we're leaving.
You know, at York train station, have you ever been to York train station? There's a museum in there, you can go around, look at old fashioned trains. Because wherever we go today, it's going to be busy, I bet, and it's nice day, isn't it?
I know it's sunny, that's why I said it isn't a tummy. But you go,
Oh, literally,
very
if you have a
good.
walk round a few shops and that, that's the lunch. You can always have a walk around the train station and look at, you know,
Not
fashion
doing any
trains.
shopping.
And then come back. You can have a cup of tea in an old carriage, you know. Yeah, biscuit. It's alright walking around shops, but you like, you seem to be walking around aimlessly, don't you, sometimes?
What about market? You talking about market?
If there's a Christmas market, we'll take you.
It'll be where main bit is where it normally is, but it'll go.
That's not the
So Neville Hill.
On Saturday.
You got the 65s. Got freight over here.
2 o'clock.
There's not much this side. Should have gone the other side. Zoomers there.
Oh, did you manage to get it back in time?
Let's have a look that way. Ali's gone to the loop. Oh, the East Midlands Railway or East Midlands Trades. Oh, nice. The Class 08 still there.
Just got you back inside for the day.
Oh, just as I do that, the Nova goes past.
Way back up over the water, so I don't get dizzy. Sometimes I get dizzy.
Oh dear, I don't know, sometimes every day.
Yeah.
Nice. Right, coming into York now. Man, that sun has been bright the whole time. So our return journey will be at night time.
York, if you are leaving the train, please remember to take all personal belongings with you. Please also remember to sit down from the train to the platform edge. York next station call.
Yeah, Nova just went past before I started recording. I always miss them.
And then go by the bus. We can do my bus.
It's the one with the big diesel, 50 diesel on the back.
Oh, have you been on it before?
Could be on the front, but it was on the back for this one.
Well, if you've been on it once, you don't need to go on it again, really, because how much is it? It's not cheap.
Any of you subscribers in York?
Expensive.
You'll sleep.
Maybe another
David,
day.
did you sleep
There we
last
go.
night?
Look at that.
Oh, did you?
Don't think I'm going to do the waving today on the webcam. Just got work to do, so I need to head through the city centre as soon as I get off.
He doesn't colour coded it, yeah? Andy, I'll push you like you put well. That's just good.
But yeah, that is bright.
Really, you're gonna stand over his winter?
Yeah.
Stopping now.
There's an
She
Azima.
said we've got to do good sit over here.
Okay.
She said we're going to wait to let everybody get off.
Here's another one. Oh yeah.
See what they
Don't think I've been on an Azuma yet. I've been on the IETs, the Great Western, but not the Azumas yet. Be a good one to go on. But right, let's go off the train. There we go. We're off. Not sure how long it takes before it leaves, but let's look in the middle. Because look, you've got the Virgin sticker again. Look, on both sides. I always like mentioning it. Oh, we got to back up. Right, she's saying, let's go. I'm moving out the way. just so they don't have a go at me. Doors closing. So what we're on, 221, 132, or 221. No, so 220 and a 221. So what's the difference between the two? Let me know in the comments. What is the difference between a class 220 and a class 221? I think I know, but I'd rather you comment down below, because then I'll know if you've watched the whole video. I'm evil like that. Right, let's watch it go. And there it goes. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up. Lets me know that you care. Social media links are just below. Subscribe, follow. This video's on Facebook, this video's on YouTube, and we will see you on the next video. This is Mega Sim out of here. See you later, guys. Bye.